welcome back. I just wanted to show you another flip through of the, another journal that I've finished. This is another little chunky one. It's the back, and the spine, and I'll just measure it for you. It is 6 1/4 by 4 1/2, and the spine is 2 inches. Like that. When you open it up, the mouth is like 4 inches. Right, so that's the front cover. Just got some lace, just to give a bit of interest. This cover was made from, you know, the HP ink saver program, and you get the box. It's got the 2 inks in it, so that's this box. So I didn't have to add anything to it, just covered it, literally, and just decorated it. So that's the front cover. We have a little journaling card that I made, and that's from Freebie in my coffee shop. And just, this is all just papers that I had. I just bunged into it and then decorated. So they're from all over the place, and I don't know if I'd be able to remember them all. But freebies as well, and I think that's chapter 1. Kelly's Crafts, I think that one is. That's one of our freebies. That's some writing space, and that's from a vintage electrical tables book. That's another freebie. I think Bohemian Rose, is it? Rose Bohemian Crafted? Something like that. Scrimping Mummy, I always use those coffee dye papers, so lovely. Hold on, I don't think I put my volume up. Try that again. There we go. There's a little card in there, and there's a little piece of paper in there. Bits and bobs. This one I just put 2 of the little tags together and put a brad through it and hung it over the page. Just simple, really. That's the back of it, and some little bits, some lace. And that was one of my, I die cut some flowers out of the vellum, and I just held on to the cut, the empty cut, I can't remember what you call it. Put some cheesecake, put some cheesecloth underneath. Done a bit of coffee. Oh god. That's just made a little thingy. Let's get that on there. And there's another pocket in there, a little card. That's from Ink and Page, one of our freebies. This is the back of some textured wallpaper, and I just inked it. I think that's Ink and Page as well. And some more of that electrical. It's quite fragile, so it break easily. Another one. Just a bit of a cluster. And some more little bits. Another one of them. Without the cheesecake this time. Some little clusters and there you go. Tag in a pocket. Some coffee dyed image. And that paper there, it's a textured paper I got from Printable Heaven in the UK, and it's very similar to wallpaper. It's a bit of a colour, some writing spots. All there. And these pieces are from Junk with Steph. She has a labels kit. Well, I think she has quite a few there, because I think that's volume 9 that one's from. That's from it as well. And that one. Next signature, there's 3 signatures. This piece is from, the name escapes me. I only made it about 2 days ago, but I can't remember. I've got another one that might jog my memory. It's another one of those labels. This one is a pocket with a little tag. And that was just a little thank you thing I got from somebody. I just made it into the tag. It's just a tab. And that was just some junk I got through the door. And that was, they were from like something I bought, and they put like freebies, and I just put them all together and made that. Cluster. Some lace. Another one of them. It's got a bit of everything in it. This, some coloured paper, another cluster, another tab, not tab, label, another one of those over the page, one of them, that's stuck on. There's 2 little tags. Is, oh sorry, turn that off. Oops. 2 bits there, and this one is literally just a piece of paper folded over and decorated it and sewn it. I don't think I even done it that way, but there's a pocket in there anyway. Some more space for writing. More labels. I went a bit label mad on this bit. Cluster, some lace, and that's from Ink and Page. That flips up. And that comes out. A label. That comes off, and that one's stapled on. There we go. Get off the page here. Sliding. And that's just bit of a cluster and some coffee dyed book page. not even coffee dye, it's just coffee splattered. I've got a little few bits here. I think that's from ink and page as well. And some paper for writing. There we go. And that's another one of those ones that was, I can't remember. Cindy Tomley, I think. It's her Facebook group. That's more of that paper that looks like wallpaper. Some lace. Small labels. And another cut out from the dice cut. Paper. A tag to make a belly band, that's because it goes all the way through. Just a tag. And some more writing space and clusters and paper again. That's the other side of that paper. Let's stick on. That's just a decorated page. These are from ink and page as well, I think. She has loads of freebies if you join her email newsletter. She sends you a freebie every week. And they're gorgeous. That's another one. That's this week's one. Some more. More labels, and right space. And a big postcard at the back. And another one of ink and page freebies. And that's the back. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.